Yeah, so this is a 22 Road Glide ST that we picked up from Wolverine Harley Davidson in Clinton Township. This has a laundry list of stuff done to it. But right now we're going to be getting ready to take this bike to the Canada motorcycle shows, which are kicking off in January. So we're going to be stopping in Vancouver first, then going to Calgary, and then we are going to Montreal and Toronto. Or maybe I flipped that. Maybe it's Toronto then Montreal, but throughout January and February. So this bike's going to be heading down, heading up, I should say, to all those shows. I'm going to be hitting every one of those cities in January and February. So today, we're going to start doing the paint work on this bike. We're going to do a custom paint job, top to bottom. Our head painter here, Raph, is going to kind of spearhead that project. Today, I'm going to be taking the OEM outer fairing off of this bike. We're going to replace it with a Hogworkz outer fairing. And then from there, Raph's going to do his magic on it. I think he's going to do some, custom airbrush
yeah, he was
work.
telling me something about, like, basically bringing it back to the 70s. That's really all he told me. I see he's messing around with something
Yeah,
right
he's got
here.
some stuff already going here. It looks like he's got some ideas flowing. So I told him I kind of wanted to do, in regards to the color, I want to keep it dark, but I wanted to, have some flake there that kind of pops with this titanium bronze that you see throughout the bike. So that's kind of the plan. But those are the ideas I gave him, and I told him he could take it from there. So we're going to see what he comes up with. So I'm going to pull off this OEM outer.
And then don't we have a new set of saddlebags that we're going to put on there too?
Yeah, so the idea with this bike is we're going to do our new performance saddlebags, which have not yet came out, but we'll be basically debuting them at the Canada show. So our brand new chopped performance bags. We're going to have our chopped rear fender on this bike, performance side covers. What else are we going to do to this thing? I think we're going to do some custom floorboards and stuff. Yeah, just deck it out with whatever we got. I think, that's the idea so far.
Sweet. There's a lot you could do with this thing, that's for sure.
Yeah, we're gonna do as much as we can because we wanna try to showcase everything we can. This is actually gonna be our first time exhibiting in Canada, so it's kind of exciting.
Really?
We have a lot of Canada dealers, a lot of companies and power sports shops that we've been working with over the years in Canada, but we've actually never been there to exhibit. So definitely excited to get over there and hopefully pick up some new customers while we're at it.
Yeah.
We're going to replace this gas cap with our flush mount gas cap. And then we also have a brand new tank dash that we did for the Road Glides that have the side mount fuel cap. So we're going to get one of those custom painted as well. We gotta siphon the gas out, and then we'll get it back to paint and let Raph get after it. It's a little funny without the tank.
Yeah, it does. It looks goofy. Putting the bolts back.
Yeah, just so we don't lose it.
That's a good idea.
Because everything around here, it's like a black hole,
Yep.
including my tools.
So I made two more. This one has no blue and no blue pearl.
This one had the blue in it?
Yeah, that's the original.
Oh yeah, okay, I can see it. Yeah,
And this one is no blue pearl and no blue.
yeah, this is nice.
Yeah, and then this one has the blue but no blue pearl. There really
They're
isn't that
almost-
much of a difference. Yeah.
I mean, maybe this one actually has, I don't even know.
I know, I was
They
like,
look so close.
yeah.
Go with this one. No blue pearl. So it's basically
black and
Black
gold.
and with the bronzest gold
Yeah.
flake in it, I would say.
Mhm.
So, gonna look sweet. Complement the wheels and all the other trim.
Oh yeah,
parts on
yeah,
the
it'll give it a
road
nice
line.
pop for sure. Yeah, out in the sun, it looks beautiful. See that?
Yeah, fingerprints all over it.
That's okay. Tomorrow I will start on most of the parts, start painting that stuff, and the ones that we're doing the patterns, then I'll just leave those in base, and then I'll try to get those tomorrow as well.
So at that point, you want to start bringing them back and putting them on the bike, marking up all the lines.
With the outer.
With the outer.
Yeah.
Just the outer.
Yeah, the rest of them is pretty much already outlined, so I just gotta lay it down, and should be fine with those. But yeah, the outer has to be on the bike so you can get a good eye view, a good flow of the pattern. We don't want to end up crooked on there.
Right. So then I'll work on I'll pull the old stuff off, and then we'll be ready to put the new stuff on.
Sweet.